Queensland Vintage Vehicle Association's Bonnets Up Day. This is an event that the QVVA puts on once a year, normally in September. It is for members to bring their club vehicles along to the club grounds to have them checked over for mechanical defects that the owners may have missed when they have been working on them. It is also good for other members to see the underside of different makes as well. The day's activities start around 9:30 a.m. when members start arriving in their club vehicles. The Bonnets Up Day crew gets the inspection ramp set up so the vehicles can be inspected from underneath. Many different car makes and models from vintage to modern gather to await their turn for inspection. While this is going on, a morning tea cuppa for all is provided, and also the club puts on a nice lunch. It is very pleasant sitting under the verandas and watching what is going on, and it is a good time to catch up with the other members. Vehicles are brought up onto the ramp under guidance from the ramp supervisor. Then once safe, the vehicles are checked over from the underside. Once they have been checked underneath, they are then inspected again on the top side for things like lights, horns, wipers, wheel bearings and other things. The owners are made aware and shown any of the defects so that they can get them fixed when they have time. After the inspections, we ask the owners to take the vehicle down to the back of the club grounds for a photo shoot. Getting the right angles to get a good picture takes a bit of time and patience. These photos are normally used for the club's calendar, which is produced each year. This also allows the club to keep vehicle records up to date. We'd like to thank all the members that do participate in this program. Thank you.